How to restore your mouse cursor back into default settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can restore your mouse cursor back into default. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your control panel. So simply search for control panel on your search bar and open it up. After you open it up, you should find an option called devices here. So search for devices and you'll find devices and printers. So head over there, and after you're on devices, what you can do is you can scroll down till you find the mouse option. Head over to mouse, and right there you will see your mouse's settings here. So what you can do is you can head over to additional mouse settings and this should pop up. Now under mouse properties, head over to pointers, and under pointers simply select use default. After you select use default, tap on apply and then tap on OK. After you do that, your mouse settings will now get restored to default, and that is basically it. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.